What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So today we have another simple task, and it's to take care of the Daily Slayer. That's right, the 1997 Honda Prelude. So I need an alignment. I changed up a whole bunch of suspension stuff in the front, tie rods, radius rod, some bushings, upper control arm if I'm not mistaken, a whole bunch of stuff, and basically it's driving crooked. We're basically crab walking when I hit VTEC. And not because it's not an LFD transmission. Hopefully sometime in the near future, if I ever track one, if you have one, let me know. Anyways, so we're gonna go to my boy's shop. He runs VOLKWERKESMIA Miami. His name is JC, and I'm super excited to take you guys on for the ride. Hopefully we get to learn airplanes, am I right? Hopefully we get to learn some things about alignment, and we get to see some cool cars that he works on. All right, cool. Alrighty, so we're on the way to JC's, aka VOLKWERKESMIA Miami. I want to show you how bad this alignment is as I'm driving it. Alright. Sheesh. Look how crooked that steering wheel is. It's basically, what would you say? Maybe like 45 degrees turn to the right? Pretty nuts. Those wheels are amazing. What's up, guys? So we made it to VOLKWERKESMIA Miami, and look at some of the cars that he already has outside for us. So JC was telling me basically that this TDI is super rare, only 1,500 made, and this is the definition of Euro OEM Plus. Look at these sweet Birac. Rotor forms are pretty nice. And then we have JC's car. Sheesh. Got this pretty rad Ford Focus. Pretty cool cars outside, huh? Let's go inside and see what's up. Alright guys, so we're in the back of VOLKWERKESMIA Miami. We actually have a few more Euros. Super old Golf. Really cool to see. Even has cloth interior. So sick. He also has this hidden gem. That's a one owner. Let me know what you think about this car. This thing is such a vibe. What? One owner. 1985 Rabbit. What's up, dude? So, finally finished the alignment on the Prelude. I have JC behind me. He's from VOLKWERKESMIA Miami. Basically, he specializes in mostly Euro, but he's always helped me in the past. I'm gonna give the camera a little bit, give some time to JC. JC, tell us a little bit about yourself, dude.
I'm JC. I run VOLKWERKESMIA Miami. We're located in North Miami, Florida, right next to I-95. Basically, specialize in VW, Audi, but I'm a car enthusiast. I like all types of cars, so work on everything. You know, Rocky's been coming to me for about 4 or 5 years now. We've been helping him with his 240 and the Prelude, and every single time he comes over, it's always a good time. So if you guys need any sort of help with your car, my handle's on here. Hit me up, and we'll schedule you guys. Come on over.
My guys, and that's basically it. I'm gonna do a couple more B-rolls of his sick shop here. He has some really sweet rides. If you have anything, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about his shop, his cars. I'm gonna leave his information in the link in the description below. And please, by all means, reach out to him if you have anything. He is the alignment wizard. I've been going to him for 5 years, and honestly, I don't trust anybody else with my car when it comes to going straight.
Appreciate that, man.
All right, cool. Thank you, guys. I'm gonna wrap the video up for today. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Awesome.
Dude, thank you so much.
Thank you.
My guys, we're driving straight. Look at it. That's amazing. Should we hit VTEC for you guys real quick?